Hello, children. A very happy welcome back to all. I think you all are following our SMS. It's nothing but sanitize, mask, and social distance. Today is a great day for math. Math means not a maths class, it is making awesome things happen with the help of a maths class. Yes, are you all ready? Yeah, I'm too ready. Hi, children. Do you all know me? Yes, I am the symbol plus. I think you all have guessed today's topic, and you are right. It is nothing but addition. Addition is the process whereby we put objects together. Hereby, we are starting with our addition tables. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. 1 plus 7 is equal to 8. 1 plus 8 is equal to 9. And 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. And similarly, and this is the addition table chart. You can see it here. Similarly for all the other numbers. Here are a few vocabulary words for you to know. Addition, addends, plus and sum. Addition is nothing but putting the numbers into one. Here is an example given for you. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. And addends is nothing but the numbers which we add are called as addends. Here in the example 2 and 2 are addends. And third one is plus. The symbol which we use for addition is plus. And the last one is sum. Sum is nothing but it is the answer or the result of addition. Parts of addition, as we know already, the numbers which we are adding are called as addends and the answer is called as the sum. Terms used in addition in all, altogether, total and sum. All these words come for addition. And in this picture you can see a few other keywords like sum, plus, increase and total. And below there are given an example for addends and total. There are two forms of addition. One is the linear form and another one is the standard form. In linear form, in single line we will do the addition, and in standard form you will write it in vertical manner, which will be easy for us to do. In school we will follow the vertical manner. Let's start adding 2-digit addends without regrouping. To add 2-digit numbers, kindly follow the following steps. First you have to add the numbers in the ones place and then you can add the numbers given in the tens place there. When we see the example given down, it is given in steps as usual. See, 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. First, the ones place has been completed. Next, coming to the tens place, they are adding 3 plus 1, which gives you 4. And finally, the sum is 46. Next, we are going to add the 2-digit numbers with regrouping. In the case of regrouping, you will be having a carryover in the tens place. That is called as regrouping 2-digit numbers. Now, I would like to start with adding the numbers 73 and 18. That is 73 plus 18. Always we have to start adding the ones place. Here in the ones place we have 3 and 8. So 3 plus 8 gives you 11. In 11 when you see, again you have ones place and tens place. So put the ones place down and the tens place above 7. Now in the tens place we have got 1, 7 and 1. Now add all the 3 which is in the tens place. We get the answer 9. So the total sum is 91. Coming to the next sum, 25 plus 38. Again, because of regrouping, we have to start from the ones place. In ones place, here we have 5 and 8. So 5 plus 8 gives us 13, in which the ones place 3 we have to put it down and the tens place 1 should be above 2. Now when we add the tens place, we get 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6. So the sum is 63. Here, next we shall go for one more example. We have 25 long size notebooks and 32 short size notebooks. We have to find how many notebooks are there in total. So when we add 25 and 32, that is 25 plus 32. First when we add the ones place, 5 plus 2 gives us 7, and the tens place, 2 plus 3 gives us 5. So the total number of books here is 57. From the sum, we can know that the numbers 25 and 32 are the addends, and the answer, that is the sum, is called 57 here. Addition properties. There are two addition properties. One is the zero property of addition and another one is the order property of addition. In zero property of addition is nothing but when 0 is added to any number or when any number is added to 0, we get the same number as the sum. And order property of addition is nothing but when you change the order of the number, the sum doesn't change. For example, 14 plus 13 gives you 27. And when you change the order of the numbers, 13 plus 14 also give you the same answer, 27. Hello friends, can you guess who I am? Yes, you are right. I am the symbol of multiplication. Shall we play a game now? Yes, we all know the tables from 1 to 10 and our game is going to start here. You all can close your eyes and start saying the tables with me from 1 to 10 tables. Come on, let's start now.
1 1 1, 1 2 2, 1 3 3, 1 4 4, 1 5 5, 1 6 6, 1 7 7. 1 8 8, 1 9 9, 1 10 10. 2 1 2, 2 2 4, 2 3 6, 2 4 8, 2 5 10, 2 6 12, 2 7 14, 2 8 16, 2 9 18, 2 10 20. 3 1 3, 3 2 6, 3 3 9, 3 4 12, 3 5 15, 3 6 18, 3 7 21, 3 8 24, 3 9 27, 3 10 30. 4 1 4, 4 2 8, 4 3 12, 4 4 16, 4 5 20, 4 6 24, 4 7 28, 4 8 32, 4 9 36, 4 10 40. 5 1 5, 5 2 10, 5 3 15, 5 4 20, 5 5 25, 5 6 30, 5 7 35, 5 8 40, 5 9 45, 5 10 50. 6 1 6, 6 2 12, 6 3 18, 6 4 24, 6 5 30, 6 6 36, 6 7 42, 6 8 48, 6 9 54, 6 10 60. 7 1 7, 7 2 14, 7 3 21, 7 4 28, 7 5 35, 7 6 42, 7 7 49, 7 8 56, 7 9 63, 7 10 70. 8 1 8, 8 2 16, 8 3 24, 8 4 32, 8 5 40, 8 6 48, 8 sevens are 56, 8 eights are 64, 8 nines are 72, 8 tens 80. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 9 sixes are 54, 9 sevens are 63, 9 eights are 72, 9 nines are 81, 9 tens are 90. 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40, 10 fives are 50, 10 sixes are 60, 10 sevens are 70, 10 eights 80, 10 nines are 90, 10 tens are 100.
Hooray! As you all have told the tables correctly, you have won the game. I hope you all have enjoyed our class today. Let me meet you in the next session. Thank you.